Hey, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable cookies on your iPad in 2023. It's the same thing for an iPhone, so I'm showing you on an iPhone. There are a few things that you need to watch closely and carefully because they're different for different regions and countries, and I'll show you how to do that. Depending on probably on the privacy law. So the first thing is you slap the like button. The next thing is we go to our settings, we go down and we want to find Safari. So here it is over the apps. When you click on Safari, so you have two options. The first one is when you go down to privacy and security, you should have the block cookies option, but I don't. And if you don't, the next thing you do, if you have it, you just block it from here or unblock it. If you don't have it, you click on advanced and here it is. You can block and unblock right here. So it's that simple. That's all you have to do. And then you turn it off and on again afterwards. If this video helped you out, slap the like button. If you still have any questions, if you cannot find it, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out. See you next one.